Hello everyone. Today, while flipping through one book, one topic came opposite. It came across. What do successful people do for becoming successful? And lots of questions completely came into my mind. They started arising. Is it a massive action? Then I said no. Is it the patience which they have? No. They are brilliant, that's why they have become successful? No. Um, is it something education? No. Is it kind of experience? No. So what was there? Why do successful people become successful? Of course, whatever topics I have told, whatever points, like they are patient, of course they are. They take the massive actions, of course they do take, and they are brilliant, yes, they are experienced, but these all things, when they begin to do, are not with them. So how do they become successful? Then at last, one word came into my mind. It completely started striking, and I gotta know, yes, this is the main thing. When do successful, when people become successful. And how successful people become successful? The main point is that courage. If you are courageous, if you are plucky, if you are fearless, it means you are not gonna get afraid of taking any kind of decision. And this situation makes you decisive. Indecisiveness, of course, harms us. That should not be done. And how we can remove this indecisiveness nature? How we can become decisive? When we are plucky sort of personality. Nowadays, youngsters are becoming plucky. They are becoming courageous. They have the courage. But in beginning, when they do not come up with the good results, so they completely get demoralized. That should not be done. Because as already in some videos I have told, every good result takes time. Successful people do not become successful within a day. They also take so many years. Some people take 2 years, some people take 5 years, some people take 10 years, but they do not leave their courage. It is in them. You would find every single successful person is courageous. You can take Jack Ma, you can take Elon Musk, you can take Jeff Bezos, you can take lots of people. You can take my mentor Ron Malhotra, you can take my mentor Dave Gadvi. They all are courageous. They have the courage. They don't get afraid of taking any decision. And the thing is that when they have the loss, so what do they think? Okay, this loss, they have made it, no problem, next time we will go for another thing. In this way they keep taking the decisions, and they go for the massive actions. So if you really feel it in your life, you want to become successful, have the courage. You should have the gut to make something possible. And when you fumble yourself, when you start something, when you will start going for a soul searching. People say do a little bit soul searching, you will find the answer. So do a little bit soul searching, then you would really find the answer, that yes, there's a courage which pushes you ahead, which never pulls you back, which asks you to move forward. It means which asks you to take lots of decisions and don't get afraid of taking the decisions. So in your life, if you want to really become successful, do always what do successful people do. And what do? They always take the decisions, and they take massive decisions, massive actions, because they have the courage. They are courageous. So be courageous, be plucky, be fearless, and become successful. Success is not counted through money, it is counted through your massive actions. And massive actions can be taken when you are courageous. Thank you guys for listening to me. Have a nice time ahead.